Hi, my name is Luis Cordero, and I'm here to present the two problematics that Donna asked her, my team, and I to help her with. First, we're going to start with the meal bills problem. We were asked to minimize the cost. Here we have our function 80 plus 60 minimum cost. It means that the 80 is the cost per kilo of the beef and the 60 is the cost per kilo of the pork. We have a restriction. They told us that we cannot surpass the amount of slack that it was 25% of fat. The mixture will consist of 0.78 kilos of beef and 0.42 kilos of pork. By this, we will reduce the mixture, and also we will reduce the cost by $8. Sensibility analysis. As I said before, the mixture we will use is 0.58 kilograms of beef and 0.42 kilograms of pork. This result will help us because this means that we will not have any slacks. If we add the shadow prices, the hotel will have to decide if they want to sell quality or they just want to sell more. Conclusions. After analyzing the different data and variables, we can conclude that as I said before, we will use a mixture of 0.58 kilograms of beef and 0.42 kilograms of pork. With this, we intend to stick as much as possible to the restrictions and avoid having slacks and keeping standards of meals. Now we continue to problem situation number 2. In here, we're asked they want to build a new hotel. We were asked to compare the Mexico states, so we can recommend the hotel company to the best option to build a new hotel. We consider these states because of their occupation room percentage by year. In this, we use 5 states: Mexico City, Quintana Roo, Veracruz, Jalisco, and Guerrero, in addition to Zacatecas. Here we have the numbers per state of occupation rooms in 2016, 2017, and 2018. Now it's time for the forecast. In here, as you can see, we have a graph. It says in here that R square is 62.7. It means that they have a 62% of growing as they grow in the past. Then we have the other graph of the other states. Then we have the Quintana Roo occupation room. As it says here, the R square is 87.4. So it's the best option because they have an 87% of growing as they grow in the past. Now we're going to compare Quintana Roo against Zacatecas. If you can see the forecast, it says here that Quintana Roo will grow more than Zacatecas in the next year. If you can see here in the MAPI and in the accuracy measures part, you can see that the MAPI is lower in Quintana Roo than in Zacatecas. This means that if the MAPI is closest to 0, the confiability is better and it's bigger. Then we did an linear trend model. If you can see the MAPI, it's a little bit different than the ones that we saw before. This means that the MAPI is too high, so this is not a good model to use. In conclusion, after analyzing the data, we can conclude that the Quintana Roo is the best option to build the hotel because they have the biggest amount of people booking hotel rooms. And like I said before, the MAPI is closest to 0, so it means the confiability is best. Now we continue to part number 3. They ask us to help her with the hotel service, the reception service. They ask us to find. They gave us three methods, 3 systems to find which one was the best to implement. They gave us 4 variables that are the ones that are on the top left corner. After analyzing the data, we find out that the best option was the single line service because, as you can see, we use the variable time, and in here it says that they have the lowest time, and that will be all. Thank you.